Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the camera so voice control will respond reliably. Make sure the battery has charge and a micro SD is inserted, then power the Hero 9 on. Next, update the firmware if you haven't recently, because commands improve with updates. Once done, swipe down on the rear screen and enter Preferences, then select Voice Control. You're now in the right menu, enable voice control and choose language. This sets the recognition model, so pick the one you speak most clearly. Now you configure how the camera listens and what it does. Toggle the common commands like photo, video, start recording, stop recording, highlight, and power off so the camera will act on those words. Then adjust sensitivity and wind reduction to handle background noise. Higher sensitivity catches softer speech, lower reduces false triggers. Practice the exact phrases shown on screen. Say them with normal cadence and a short pause afterward, because the model expects specific voice patterns. After a few tries, you'll know the camera responds. To use voice control, frame your shot, face the camera, then speak the command clearly and naturally. Keep commands short. You'll get immediate feedback. LEDs or an on-screen icon indicates the camera heard you. If it fails, first reboot the Hero 9 and retry, then inspect the mic area for obstructions like a cover or debris. If problems persist, rerun voice setup or reinstall firmware via GoPro Quick. As a final step, perform a factory reset. This clears settings and often fixes persistent recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.